Hello, everybody. My name is Mr. Chia, and today we will have a sharing about one particular topic, which is navigation guide for Moodle. Now, first and foremost, what is Moodle? Moodle is an LMS, open source learning management system used to create, deliver, and manage online courses. Okay, so it's used for various things like hosting courses, assignment quiz given by the lecturer, and the student have to respond with the answers. Okay, discussion forum, same thing. The lecturer also can track the progress of the student, okay, and assessment, and we will put in a lot of teaching materials for you to learn. Now, how do you access to this Moodle platform as a student? Basically, there are two options. Option one, this is a URL to go in. And option two, you can, of course, just type in the Google Lincoln LMS. Okay? And you will see this page. And the blue color one is the URL. So if you click on here, or you click on here, you will come to this screen. So you will see in your screen this word Lincoln ODL. Okay, now you scroll down from this page, you will see the student and lecturer. Now, as a student, you click student. And after that, what you will see is the screen will ask you to do a login, whereby you're requested to put in your username. Here you put your student ID number. Like for example, 0123 2211 12854, something like that. You put in your student valid ID number, not your passport number, not your IC number, your student Lincoln ID number. Then under here, the password, you put in, you can key in student at 123. This is by default. Now be careful. The S here is uppercase. Okay, the other wordings here is lowercase. Okay, now after you have logged in already, what would you see? You will see, for example, I've taken an example of this student, right? Now you will see this kind of template. Okay, so here under edit mode, I want you to click here to enable, because the default is disabled. So you click here to enable, click the edit mode icon to enable. Next, you can check for your courses. You click here. So when you click here, you will show the courses that you were registered with. For this particular student, maybe she was registered for bachelor thesis, for the program BBA. Okay, so all your courses should be shown here. Okay, so you can see all your courses by clicking the icon here, and also you can search if you know the subject name, and okay, you can also sort by the course name alphabetical sequence. Okay, so you will see a lot of these courses here. Okay, now all your courses and subjects that are registered will be shown here. You can, of course, like I say, search by name or search by, you sort it, easier searching. Now, should your course or subject do not appear here, that means you cannot access to Moodle for that particular subject. So you need to inform your program coordinator to register you as a student for the respective courses which you are supposed to take. Okay? Next, you need to select the course you want to view the Moodle content. So like, for example, you want to view this one, you click here, okay? And in the Moodle content is what the lecturer has uploaded for you to see in the Moodle platform. We will now continue to look at a video on what the lecturer has posted in the Moodle for you for this example of business organization for BBA ODL. Okay, so now let's look at it. Hang on for a while. Okay, so when you click, this is not the blue box or some other color. Sometimes is the color is automated assigned by Moodle. It doesn't matter. You go to the correct course and you will see what the lecturer has put here. Okay, so now on this left hand side, you will see all the detail. Of course, if you want, you can collapse all, or you by right you should expand all. Okay, always try to move it at the enable so that you can see under the edit mode. So we'll go to the first one. Okay, the first one is the lecturer profile. So you can see myself, right? And there is what do I say? A short summary of myself. Okay, and I have a video. So you can click here. You can see the video. So let's say, for example, you click here, right? And you will see a video introduction. Okay. Now we go to let's finish the lecturer profile. Now from here to go to the next one, it does not automatically jump. Okay. So you will have to go back to the, the topic. Okay. So what I'm saying is once you have finished here, the screen does not go to here. You have to go back to, you have to click the next topic. Okay. So here, the next topic is the welcome notes and announcement. So you have here something for you to read. And then I got a welcome video. Okay. And also, I will have a PDF file for you. Okay. This is a student portal manual. If you look at it, it also basically tell you what you need to know about this model. Okay. Now, if you're in any subtopic to go out, you press here. Don't press here, just select here, right? So now you will have a student portal model. Here you will have a navigation guide. This is actually the video that I'm recording now. Later I'll put it in, okay? And then you may have announcement about the various topics in this subject of business organization, and also other information, okay? Now, the next one, you can look at the course introduction. So there's a brief write-up on it. And then there will be a video by me again on this course introduction. Now, most of the video will have a summary or a transcript, okay? So to reinforce what you have seen in the video, right? Now, we will now have the course overview, okay? So here is a course overview. What is this about? Okay, or sometimes we call it the synopsis. Okay, and then you have a course learning outcome. Now, what's a course learning outcome? A course learning outcome is exactly what it means. After you have finished this particular subject, what you are supposed to be obtained. Okay, and for example, you'll be able to explain the basic concept or something like that. Okay, recognize the function. So for every subject will be a little bit different. Then for this particular business and business organization, you will have the assessment. Okay, so the assessment, the test is 20, written assignment is 20, and online discussion is 20. We will discuss about this in the later part of this video, and that composed of 50% for assessment. The final exam will be another 50%. Okay. So now we'll go to the module guideline. Now, the module guideline looks something like this. Okay, every subject will be different. Huh? This is only for business organization. It will give synopsis, again, the CLO. It will tell you the topics, basically 10. Now, of course, some courses may have 9, some may have 11, depending on the lecture. lecturer and also the course materials. And here is written again. Okay, and we recommend what is the book reference. Okay, if you can get, please get it. Okay, if you cannot, it may be still okay because you can refer to our SIM. Okay, which I will explain later. So that will take care of the module guidelines and the module guideline video. Okay. Again, in the video, there's for the video, there's always a transcript or a summary of it. Okay. Now we come to the next one, the handbook. We have basically 3 handbooks for you. The first one is called the frequently asked question. Okay, but this frequently asked question is for the business organization. Okay. Your lecturer, the other subject lecturers will have their own, right? So you can open the file, you can look at it. So these are the anticipated. I'm having some problems. You should be able to open the file, okay? Maybe it's under download. Okay, let me look at it. Already downloaded already. Yeah, it's out here, right? So, yeah, right. When you're using a Moodle, I strongly recommend you to use by laptop, not using your phone. Of course, the phone size, the screen is very small, and it's not as good if you use laptop, because laptop we have many options, icons. Okay, so this is the FAQ. You can look at the various. These are the FAQ that I think that you'll be asking, right? So I created this FAQ for you for this business organization guide. Okay. Now let's go back. Okay. Now the second handbook. Now, you may have questions that is not inside this FAQ PDF. Please do not hesitate to ask your program coordinator or ask your lecturer. Okay, we are always ready. Okay, to answer your questions. Okay. Now the second one is called the program handbook. Right. Okay. So if I go to the download again, oh, has it come already? Has not come. Hang on. Okay, this is a program handbook. Okay, so what does it have? So it shows you for the School of Business and Management. Okay, we have a program ODL handbook for this particular course. So every course will be different. So next time maybe you're studying BPE or MBA, they will have their own program handbook. So you can just go through it. Okay, these are some of the contents inside here. Welcome, overview, learning outcome, ODL approach, structure, teaching, student support, and graduation requirement, for example. Okay, so you can look at it because it's in PowerPoint. It's quite easy to understand, right? And the last one is the ODL guidebook. Okay, so let's look at it. I'm sorry. So this is the open learning guidebook. Okay, it will tell you something like, for example, the hardware and software requirement, some library, how to access the library, and so forth. Okay, registration, withdrawal, class attendance, and so forth. Okay, so please look into it. Now, you were asking or thinking, why so many handbook? We prepare this handbook is for your easy journey in this ODL. Okay, so please do not neglect. Please do read. Okay, please do read on this handbook. Now, this is the next one is a semester planner. Now, I would like to explain to you what's a semester planner. Okay, basically, for this business organization, maybe we got a 10 topic, right? We will have 5 classes. Okay, now maybe the first one, okay, week 1, this is called asynchronous. That means you learn by yourself. Okay, you learn by yourself. Okay, so how you learn, we will show you later on. We have the SIM and the PowerPoint and the flipbook. Okay, basically, for week 1, you just learn chapter 1. Now, in week 2, or in the second lecture or tutorial, you will see you have this synchronous. So it's different from the earlier one, which is asynchronous. Here, we have this synchronous without the A. That's where we do the tutorial. Okay, we will give you a link to go to Microsoft Teams. Okay, so and you can go into the class, and in that class, we will be talking about chapter 1 and chapter 2. And this class will be recorded, okay, in Microsoft Teams. Now, after the class is over, the lecturer need to process the video, normally about 1 hour to 2 hours video. So it's quite a big file. So you need time to process it and then upload it back into this module. So please give us something about around 24 hours, okay, because sometimes the file is quite huge. As you understand, it is a video file, right? So for those students who unfortunately may not be able to attend any class, you can see the video, okay, later. But it's always good for you to attend the class because the lecturer is there, and if you've got any question, you can ask straight away. And in Microsoft Teams, we can check your attendance. What time you clock in to the class and what time you clock out from the class. So please try to attend all class. Okay. And if the unlikelihood of you cannot attend, then please watch the video. At least you get something. Okay. So you got week 2, then you come to week 3, asynchronous, then week 4, synchronous again. So that will be chapter 3 and 4 and so forth. Okay. And so forth. So synchronous classes is quite important for you to attend. Okay, I want to emphasize that. Okay, now, okay, we go back. Now, the next one is consultation hours. It will tell you which week, what time to what time is the class. The date and the time will be decided later, and the URL or the link to go to the class will be also be provided to you in due course. Now, some lecturer like me, maybe I use the week 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Maybe another lecturer will have 1, 3, 5, 7. It doesn't matter. Okay, please go into your Moodle to look at your the week of the class, and the link will be given here later. Okay, of course I cannot put the link here right now. This is only for business organization. Okay, now you will notice for every one of them so far, there's always an explanation. Okay, there's always explanation everywhere. So the explanation is given for you to guide you, to give you a better clarity. Okay, so it's always have got some explanation. Okay, so course introduction, like for example, yes, there's always explanation. Okay, even the video, we will either give you a transcript or we give you a summary. Okay, and so forth. Okay, we hope that with this it will be easier for you to follow up. Okay, to understand module guideline handbook. Okay, now we come to the materials. Now for this particular course, we got 10 topics. Okay, so topic 1, topic 2, topic 3, and so forth. Can you see? Topic 6, topic 7. So any one time you can click on the topic. Okay, so now we click to topic 1, for example. So topic 1, the title is maybe Business Fundamental, and we have a video, and this is the transcript of the video. How to go to this video, you just click here, you can get ready. Okay, I have posted up there already in the channel, YouTube channel. Okay, now this video, please look at it. Okay, and if you want to play back, now you can always stop it, or you can retrieve it later and so forth, so it's no issue. Now, for this particular topic, maybe there are 4 subtopics. So I will do a micro lecture on one particular topic. Most likely the first subtopic of this topic. Okay, I'll explain my subtopic later on. Okay, so again, you will have a summary of this one. So you can always click this. Let's click at it and see. Okay, see, that's me. Okay, so it's a short video. Okay, now if I share with you now the next one, which is the SIM. Okay, what is the SIM? Self-instruction material. Basically, it's a PDF. All right, and there is, of course, a brief description about it. So let's look at the SIM. Now, the SIM is where you will learn the most. Okay, and every topic has one SIM. So this happened to be topic 1. Okay, so let's look at topic 1, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4 subtopic. That's what I mean by subtopic. So when we do a micro lecture, we will select one subtopic. Okay, but if you're looking for the whole video of this class, I will it will be in just now. I will show you again later on. Okay, so you have this topic, you have the learning outcome for this topic, and because we got 4 subtopics, so we start, for example, at 1.1. So you will have a video on this topic. You have a brief write-up, right? Okay, so let's say, for example, I, the lecturer, have summarized a little bit, 3 or 4 paragraphs, and you can refer to this person for more detail. I will show you, this is the APA reference, okay, the short version that is put inside here, but the detailed reference will be at the bottom, which I'll show you later. So then I will also give you an infographic. What is an infographic? A piece of paper or a picture, maybe, to show you something that relates to what is in the SIM earlier. Okay, and to get more detail, you can, of course, there's a link here for you to click to go in to read if you want to. And I will also, on top of the infographic, I will give you a video. Okay, another video. So this is the title and this is the source, right? You can click it, right? And for videos, there's always a transcript or explanation. Okay, this will enforce your learning, okay, because it's a summary of the video. And then we will have this, for every subtopic, there's one self-check. Okay, you're supposed to read this one and understand and try to explain or play it in your mind. Now, to help you self-check one, if you go at the bottom of the SIM, now I need to look at it. Hang on. See, this is the same question, and I give you a 3-point answer. Okay, to jog your memory. Okay, it may not be the full answer. Had to write long paragraph, so it's just a short form. Okay, pointer for you to answer this self-check one. Okay, now on top of that, where am I now? We will continue. Sometimes there's H5P. I will explain this later. Okay. After that, we have activity. Activity is no answer. You just, it's jogging for you. Okay. Or sometimes I ask you to do something, like for example, go get the Nestle board of directors. Here's the link. So you just click the link. You just click the link and it will come up. Okay. Oh, hang on. Because it's in my dashboard. So hang on. It should be in your dashboard. So you can click it and then it will come out. Okay. It will appear in your dashboard. Okay, hang on, where are we now? Okay, we are at the SIM. So I would like to continue with the SIM. It's a SIM here. Okay, sorry, I'd like to continue with the SIM. I have not finished. Okay, so activity 1. And then you will have the same thing for subtopic 1.2. Brief paragraph with references if you want to look at it more. Okay, so like for example, maybe you have this word here, green. Later I show you. You have an infographic. You can get more from this source. You have a video. It's from this source. You can click it. And I already give you a transcript or summary of the video. Okay. And again, self-check 1.2, because it's a second subtopic here, and the activity. And it goes the same one. Okay. So what do you get from all this sim so far is that for every subtopic, there's always a summary with APA references, and there's always an infographic, and there's always a video with a transcript and self-check and also activity. Okay, so we will now move to the end of 1.4. So after the end of 1.4, I'll give you one more summary of 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4 means the 4 subtopics. Okay, I will give you a summary. Then I will give you a closing case study. Okay, so this will be for every SIMmer will have a different case study. So this is Volkswagen, and then this is the case summarized by me, and this is the reference. And if you want to know more detail of the case, you can go to this references. You just highlight this one, and you can go to Google, and then you can just ask for it. Okay, so based on the above, your activities are evaluate, judge. This one you are not required to answer and give me the. This one is just to jog your memory. Now, why? Why we do that? Now, previous to that, you have got all the write-up. Okay, you got the summary, you have the infographic, you have the video, you have the self-test, you have the activity, then you also have the summary. To apply what you have studied, we use a case study. So we give you an actual case study, and the question here relates to what you have earlier studied in the sim. So you can apply. Okay? So this jog your memory for your application. This kind of question. Okay? Now, so far I understand, that's why we both give you a case study. Okay? Therefore, then sometimes we have a quiz. You don't to give me the answer is for you for your own testing. And then the model answers like what I said just now. Okay, these are key terms again. Again, the key terms is to jog your memory of what you have studied earlier. These are helpful things, case study and key terms. And can you see the references? Right, so we have a lot of references just now. Yeah, just now I highlighted when I do a summary is based on what I understand, and I can also quote a reference. And if you need to have more detail, you highlight this, and then you click it. So that's why I thought I find the word green I show you. So this is the reference for green. Okay, this method is APA reference method. So that's what is the sim about. Okay, so now we go back. That's topic 1. Okay, so we have sim. Then next you will have flipbook. Now, what's a flipbook? A flipbook, just click it. Okay, click to open. Just wait. It's the sim. Okay, can you see here? That's all. Okay, or you can go back. It's exactly the same, but the sim is in PDF. So you have to scroll up and down. So to make it easier for you, we have make it into a book, and then you can expand for your looking. I don't recommend you to use a handful for flip book because your screen is very small, right? Okay, so exactly the same. Okay. Okay, we now go back to here. Hang on, where am I now? Flipbook. Oh, where am I now? I think I closed the thing already. Okay, never mind. Let me open again. I'm sorry. Just wait for a short while. Okay, it's very fast. No issue. Lock out again. Log in again. Okay. my course. So VBA. Okay, where am I now? Okay, topic 1. Yeah, SIM, Flipbook. And here also the PowerPoint. So you can see the PowerPoint. Yeah. So here is got all the PowerPoints. So just let me show it to you. So this PowerPoint. So chapter 1, basically it's the same as the SIM, but summarize it in a PowerPoint form, right? Okay. And then there is a write-up on it. Then you got journal article for this particular course. So these are the references you want to read. Okay. So if you want, you can of course highlight it, highlight the journal, highlight the authors, and then you go to Google, and then you can get the complete journal. Okay, complete journal. This is the summary of the journal. Then you got YouTube. I go make some YouTube for you. You can go inside there and look at it. Okay. Now, the last one is, I think just now I mentioned something about the H5P. So if you look at H5P, so basically it's a short question. Yeah. So an employee report unusual behavior. So they got the answer. So let's say, for example, you type C, you check. Oh, no good. I'm sorry. So maybe you can retry. Maybe you try B. So check. Okay, just to make it interesting for you. Okay. So that is in topic 1. So now you come to topic 2. It's the same. You have introduction video of the subject by me. You have a micro lecture, maybe 3 minutes on one subtopic. You have a SIM for chapter 2, right? And a flipbook for topic 2, PowerPoint for topic 2, class video recording. See, in topic 1, there is no class recording, right? 2, you will have a class video recording. 3, you don't have. 4, you have. So like I say, how do you know when is the recording or when you're supposed to come to class? This is the one. It shows you the week or the topic, the time, okay, for come to class. So topic 1, 2, 3, and topic 1 is the same as topic 2 or 3, okay? So you can learn from here, okay? Download or keep it or click inside here to look. Now, I'm going to talk about continuous assessment. Now, basically, you have a few, right? Assignment, test or midterm test, the word online discussion, and these are the mark. And you can click here to download the question. Okay, I'll be here for you. Okay, easier, but you can actually open the file here, right? To look at it and answer the question, and then you need to submit in your student portal. Okay, after you submitted already, I can do the grading. Okay, so you may have a midterm test, okay, and also you have online discussion. So assignment basically is to 2,000 words, write something in the words, the Microsoft Words, these 3 questions. So grading, word 20% mark. These are some of the instruction, word length or whatever it is, okay, and so forth. Please read this one. So this is the midterm test, okay. Let's look at the midterm test. So the midterm test, you can open it up. Okay, I can grade it. You have to open up yourself. Okay, here, for example. Okay. So you can open the file. I think I can open from here. Maybe I cannot. Yeah, okay. So this is a midterm, right? So this is the midterm test. This is a cover sheet. So you can synergy the background of the case study, and then there's a question. Okay, references. This is the question you answer to. So you can type your answer here straight away at the bottom here, right? And then save this file and then send it back to me. Okay? I mean, post to Moodle, then I can see. Okay? You understand? You can type from here. This is the midterm. So I would like to close this one. Okay. I want to go through again one more time with the assignment. So this is the assignment. So let's look at the assignment, right? Great. Okay. So can you see here? You open the question here. So this is the assignment. So let's open it and see. So you can type here, enable editing. Oh, you have to, I'm sorry, whether assignment, midterm, or online, you have to put your name and your ID, because I don't know who's sending, right? Yeah. So put your name and the ID. Signature, you can just type in your name, the date, whatever date you have. If you have digital signature, you can put here, you can just type in your name, it's okay. So this is the question, okay? This is the instructions, right? So this is the cover sheet, you put your name here, and then if that's the case, right, since it's words, so you can type your answer here, just type starting with the word answer, right? And then you can start to type the answer here, save the file, load it up to Moodle, okay? So that is for assignment and the midterm. There's one more, which is the online. Okay, so let's look at the online. See, open the question. Okay, so again, there is some, these are a 4-point, discuss. So you just type the answer here. Discuss topic number 1, discuss topic number 2, discuss topic number 3, and then you just upload. Okay? Now, that will take care of the continuous. Now we look at the final exam. Now, in the final exam, basically it's a 3-hour thing. Okay, you are requested to be physically present at our venue. Most likely will be either this building, or we will have another building over in SS6. This is SS7, but most likely will be physically present. Okay, unless otherwise informed. Okay, so the date, the time, and the venue will be announced later when it comes to exam. Of course, I cannot put the final exam question here, right? Not okay. So now, let's sort of summarize this particular thing. The Moodle is a platform. Okay, you need to go in. Okay, you need to go in to check, to learn. Okay, to be informed. Okay. And it has got the lecturer profile, the welcome note, the course introduction, the course overview, the module guideline, the handbooks, the semester planner, consultation hours, and then topic 1 to 10. And under each topic, okay, introduction video, micro lecture, sim, flipbook, PowerPoint slide, and so forth. Okay. H5P. Why the word H5P? I cannot remember, but this is generated by Moodle one. Maybe I can look up and let you know later if you're interested. So the word is MCQ. Okay, multiple choice question. And finally, you will have the continuous assessment, whereby you need to open up the question and then key in the answer and then upload into the Moodle using your student ID, okay, platform, Moodle platform. Okay, so with that, I think I have finished this particular video. If you have any clarification that you need, or you have any question, do not hesitate. Please contact the program coordinator or your lecturer, and it should be okay. Okay, they should be able to answer you. Okay, so thank you very much. I would like to close this particular meeting. Right? Okay. Bye bye. Okay.